Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting lesson. It's called Writing Expressions and Equations. So let's start. I have here some phrases or sentences. I want to write it as a number. Yes, a number here sentence. So if I ask you here, a number increased by 7, a number increased by 7, let the number be n. Increased, what does it mean? Increased plus 7, so n plus 7. What about here the other phrase here or sentence? 6 less than triple a number. Okay guys, first of all, remember that when we say the word than, I will change places. I will change what? Places. So I can say here 6 less than triple a number. Triple a number means what? 3n. Triple a number means what? 3n. Less than means minus 6. Here is in math is called equal. Is what? Is 9. So when I say the word remember than, I will change the places of numbers. Okay. Here, study well. These words are very important to study, guys. Keywords, when I say plus, the sum of, increased by, total, more than, added to, all these, okay, refers to the plus. To the plus, a subtraction, minus, difference of, decreased by, fewer than, less than, subtracted from, minus, multiplication, of course, times the product of, multiplied by, of, twice. And remember also the brackets here when I say, for example, 3 3 here, and here a bracket 4. So this is what multiplication. Remember that. What about the division? It's very easy. Divided by the quotient of, remember, separated into equal parts. So let's have some practice here. When I have here verbal phrases and I want to convert them into expressions here. So remember well, a number increased by 5, focus here. Number, very easy. Number, it's n. Increased plus what? Plus 5. So n plus 5. Can I change n with x, y, any letter? Yeah. 7 less than a number. Remember the word? Yes, than. So I'm going to change places, right? So number and then minus 7, right? What about here when I say 3 more than twice a number? What? 3 more than twice means to double. 2 times a number. Let it be x this time. Okay, so it can be 2x plus 3 or 3 plus 2x. Why, Miss Dina, we do so? Because we change here places in the addition and the multiplication, and doesn't change what? Doesn't change the value. Okay, order, this note is very important, please. Order is important, as I told you, in subtraction and division only. For example, 2 less than a number, I will change places here, x minus 2. It's not 2 minus x. Very important note. Similarly, when I say a number divided by 5, a number, okay, n divided by 5, I can't say 5 divided by n here, okay? This is the wrong and this is the right one. Okay, my dear students, here you are some exercises from your practice book. Let's here do it. It's page 83, and I have written for you the answers here down to check your answers after solving. It's very important, guys. So let's start here. Write the verbal phrase as a variable expression. Let x here. Okay, focus here. He asked you for to write x to represent the number. So don't write here y or n or any other. Okay, so number added to n. So it's x plus, yeah, x plus 10, right? 14 decreased by a number. Okay, 14. So here 14 decreased by a number, 14 decreased by a number. 4 times a number, 4 times a number, which is x. Miss Dina, where is the multiplication sign? I can put here 4 times x, or I can just say 4. Okay, just a moment. I can just say 4x, right? negative 13 increased by a number. Negative 13 increased by a number. 11 decreased by the quotient of 9 and a number. What are you saying here? So this one, how can I do it? It's 11. 11 decreased by the quotient of 9 and the number. 9 and the number. It's easy like this. Okay? Twice a number subtracted from 1. Okay. Remember, twice a number subtracted from 1. So I will write 1 first because 2x here is subtracted from 1. Okay? I think it's easy. Write a variable sentence for the equation here. Let's see. b minus 3 equals 7. How can I write it? What do you think, guys? So I can say here a number b decreased by 3 is 7. A number b decreased by 3 is 7. What about this one? The product of 8 and a number is 27. Why did you say product of? When I say here 8y, we have invisible multiply. So I will say the product of 8 and a number, or 8 and y, is 27. Okay, and here what can I say? I can say here the sum of a number and the sum of a double number and 11 is 30. Okay, let's do this. Write the real world phrase as a variable expression. Be sure to identify what the variable represents. Okay, guys, 1 mile more than yesterday's run. Okay, how can we write it? So guys, I wrote for you this 1 mile here, guys, number 14. Okay, number 17, 1 mile more than yesterday's run. How can I write it? It has a very specific way to write it. So 1 mile here, just 1. Plus what? More than means plus yesterday's run. So plus a, in which a is the length of yesterday's run. So we assume that a is the length of the yesterday's run. So it's 1 plus a, that I don't know the variable a here. What about here? 2 times your previous high score. 2 times your previous high score. Let your high score represented by s, so it will be 2 times s. Okay. 1/3 of the recipe. Do you know the recipe? No. So 1/3 of the recipe, 1/3 are. Okay. Okay. Let's have this one. Yosemite National Park. Okay, the word problem, guys, I mean this one. Yosemite National Park has many natural waterfalls within its boundaries, including Horsetail and Yosemite Falls. Horsetail, write an equation. Okay, didn't see, which is 1,000 feet tall, is 1,425 feet shorter than Yosemite Falls. Write an equation to find the height of Yosemite Fall, then use the mental math to solve the equation. So it's very easy. Okay, so it said here what? That the Horsetail Fall is 1,000 feet tall. So we have got here, and also is 1,425 feet shorter than Yosemite Falls. So we have got here two information. And he asks me to find the height of the Yosemite Falls. So I know now that the horizontal height now is what? It's 1,000. It's 1,000. Okay, this is what? This is the horizontal. Let it be by h. Okay, the height of horizontal here. Okay, and he asks me to find what? The height of, yes, the height of Yosemite. Okay, what's this name? Yosemite. So And he gives you another information that Yosemite, the height of Yosemite, is less than the height of Horstole by 1425. So height minus 1425 gives me here the Horstole. So how can I do it? I will bring here the negative 140 1425 to the other side by negative sign. Okay, and then it will be here 1425 with positive sign because it's here negative, so plus 1000. Okay, so it will be 2425. Okay, guys, is it easy? I think it is. Thank you for listening. I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, please send me on Google Classroom or on the new system. Bye bye.